Okay, today I'm going to try to make either a folded rose or a rolled rose with this fabric I had that I made another video of. Where's that flower? I made this flower with that fabric. And this rose, this is a folded rose I made. So I got to glue these little strips of the window shears that I cut up, and then I roughed them up with scissors. I'm gonna glue them to this and then either roll it or fold it. Okay, I got them glued down and only glued like dotted glue here and dotted glue there. And so this is that fabric I love, and I run the scissors along the edge of it just to kind of fray it up a little bit. So I'm trying to figure out, I may try to do a rolled rose first. So let's see, we'll do it the same way. Fold the corner down. I feel a lump of glue in there. I'm gonna fold it that way. And so I got something kind of like a little rosebud. Oh, that's even better. Not that accidentally flipped over. I'm just going to start twisting my fabric with one hand and rolling with the other hand. And I thought about one of them I'd made before. I thought about putting it on the what I call the Frankenleg. I made a mannequin leg and decorated it, but I'm not too sure if I will or not. Let's see. It's pretty, but not as pretty as I expected. Let's try folding it. Let's see what we come up with. We'll probably have those ends sticking out a lot again with that. So we got that. Roll this tight. Let's see. Can't remember which way you're supposed to roll a little bud. Maybe it's downward. It don't really matter, I don't believe. Okay. You can check my playlist called Flowers, and I explain how to make the these folded roses. I'm doing it with burlap. It's the blue burlap, or well, blue on the burlap. And if you don't know how to do the folded flowers, you can watch that and then see my other flower videos on my playlist. Okay. Yeah, I think I like this one better. Okay, now what I decided to do, if you've watched my videos, you've seen my Powerade container full of glaze with some brownish paint in it. And I ain't never tried this, but I've decided I think I want to put this one on my Frankenleg, and so we'll see what happens. Just to make it older and darker looking. Just gotta make it old looking. Oh, nasty and weathered or whatever. Like the Frankenleg. Okay, I got my wet rag. Now I'm just gonna try to dab some of it off the high spots. And have it darker down in the crevices. Don't know if this works. So we'll see. Maybe if I wipe. Okay, I got my flower finished and mostly dry. And my little dangles, and a little bow. And that's what it looked like before. That's the other one I made. So, it made a big difference. And now, to go get my Frankenleg. Okay, here's my Frankenleg. And if you missed my video of when I made it, I'll put the link down below. And I'm going to put the flower about right in here. And then the little dangles will hang with this fabric. And then I'll show it to you. Okay, there she is, ready for a night on the town. And I put the little bow on top of that bigger bow. And there's little dangles that come down to her ankle. These little things. And then there's the rose and the top. I think it fits in good with her. Anyway, there she is. Thanks for watching.